If you have watched my previous videos about Italian with the Godfather part 1 and part 2, then this video is the cherry on the cake, or the straw that breaks the camel's back, depending on how you are getting on with my face. Learn Italian with the Godfather part 3 coming up right now. As the old slogan goes, there are things that money can't buy. For all things Italian, there is Il Maestro. By the way, let me ask you a question.
How's your Italian? Devo fare un po' di pratica.
How's your Italian? Asks Michael Corleone. Devo fare un po' di pratica, answers Andrew Hagen, godson of Michael Corleone, as well as the younger son of the consigliere Tom Hagen. Modali più infinito. Tips of the day. Modal verbs dovere, potere, volere and sapere are followed by an infinitive. Don't overthink. Keep it easy. Devo mangiare. Voglio bere. Posso cantare. So giocare. Let's move on. Number 2.
Joey Zaza's gonna send me a message back? Joey Zaza's gonna send a message.
He did the right thing. He got Zaza's name.
What does Joey Zaza got to do with anything? Joey Zaza's a pazzo.
So, Joey Zaza, who has control over the Corleone family business in New York, tried in vain to kill Vincent, Michael's nephew, the illegitimate son of Michael's brother Sonny. The origin of the word pazzo is uncertain. Most likely it comes from the Greek pathos, suffering, pain, sofferenza. Some linguists suggest instead a possible link to the Latin root pact, from which the Italian word pattume originates. Pattume means rubbish, garbage. Curiously, some dialects in northern Italy associate the word pazzo with dirty, filthy, trump, sudicio. Andiamo avanti, numero 3.
He will make all of you popular.
It's true. I make more of a bella figura. That is my nature.
Bella figura! Michael's partner on the commission won't in on the immobiliare deal. Michael pays them from the sale of his Las Vegas holdings. Joey Zaza receives nothing.
Bella figura.
Literally translated, la bella figura means the beautiful figure. More broadly, it means to make a good impression. For many Italians, it is much more than simply dressing well. First of all, la bella figura has something to do with reputation. Therefore, I would suggest to think of la bella figura as la bella proper and figura decorum. Secondly, la bella figura has something to do with exhibiting good manners. So, bella, good, and figura, behavior. The opposite, la figuraccia. The accio ending at the end of a word very often means the bad version of something. Ma andiamo avanti. Numero 4. Bacio la mano. It's an old and traditional way to greet and show respect. Vincent was sent by Michael to Donald Tobello to feign dissatisfaction working with the Corleones and to find out more about Donald Tobello's connection and plots. Enjoy the scene. We'll catch up later.
Corleone, you know the value of such a friend.
So then you would work for me?
Sì. Becci la mano, Tobello.
Baciamo le mani, maestro! Ma andiamo avanti. I've got another question for you. Last one.
Tu parli italiano un poco?
Sì.
Tu parli italiano? Sì? Non è molto difficile. Do you agree with that? I really want to know what you think about it. Tell me your experience with learning Italian in the comments. Dal Maestro è tutto. Mi raccomando.